In today's video, we're talking about the best action camera for vlogging. Action cameras are a great way to capture your most memorable moments in everyday life. They are easy to use, versatile, light, and strong. While GoPro is the best known and the market leader, there are other action cameras that compete on an equal footing. So let me show you the best action cam for vlogging. I'll leave the links to discussed action cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is hands down the best action camera for vlogging right now, and the T3 Award of 2021 proves its worth in the action camera industry. In terms of features and performance, this is the best single-lens action camera you can get from. With the GoPro app, you can remotely control the camera, preview pictures, share them directly, and make edits on the go through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections. When you peer under the hood, there's a bigger sensor, which means this cam can shoot 5K 30fps video. When recording at 5K 30fps, the Hero 9 Black gets about 80 minutes of time before shutting down with a low battery warning, which is roughly 10 minutes more than the Hero 8 at 4K 60fps. The Hero 9 has a larger battery pack than past models in size and power. It's got a removable 1720 mAh lithium-ion battery, 3 mics, voice control, is waterproof, and weighs 158 grams. Just 2 button controls provide easy operation, power mode on the left side and record start-stop on the top right, which makes your vlogging easy. The 4 built-in capture presets, standard, activity, cinematic, and slow-mo, let you quickly get started recording without getting bogged down in endless settings, which is a key selling point for GoPro. The camera does run a little hot, which may be a downside, but it is normal in action cameras if you use it continuously. This camera comes with Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi, as well as a micro SD card slot and USB-C port that allows you to charge and transfer video. Furthermore, it also supports live streaming via app. It costs around $400, which is quite well as it offers excellent features. At number 2, it's GoPro Hero 8 Black. Hero 8 is another best product from GoPro when we talk about the top action cameras. This Hero 8 action camera is also extremely popular among vloggers for its 4K video recording and slow motion footage. The camera captures 4K video at 60 frames per second or Full HD at 240 fps for slow motion footage. It can be controlled easily by the touchscreen on the back or by voice control, which makes it more convenient for outdoor uses. This Hero 8 is waterproof, so you can write in any weather without worrying about getting wet while vlogging. It features 4 digital lenses, narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and super view, so you can capture the best views according to your requirements. Despite the lack of an autofocus system, which is a downside, the device features a much improved image stabilization mode that is extremely helpful for capturing videos and photos. Image stabilization technology developed by GoPro that rivals gimbal capabilities without the need for external stabilization hardware, mounting, or power. The camera runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Furthermore, this GoPro has a built-in microphone and is also compatible with a number of external microphones. On the downside, this GoPro Hero 8 sometimes gets hot while recording, and the battery performance is also not outstanding. This may be disappointing, but it doesn't damage or affect the quality of the video. This Hero 8 from GoPro also costs around $300, which is not much compared to the features and the quality it offers. At number 3, it is DJI Osmo Action Cam. DJI Osmo Action Cam is one of the top competitors of GoPro's action cameras in terms of features as well as a very low budget. For vlogging action videos, the DJI Osmo Action is a compact and well-built camera that you can mount on a helmet or chest mount. Its dual screens, rocksteady technology for image stability, 4K video capture, 11-meter waterproof construction, as well as voice control make it one of the most versatile options for vlogging and other outdoor captures. However, its stabilization isn't quite as good as GoPro's. It supports 4K capture at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60 frames per second, in addition to 2.7K at the same rates. The most interesting feature of this Osmo is that you can even shoot in 8x slow motion for dramatic clips that will make your next vlog stand out from the crowd. There's also a second screen at the front of the camera that's designed to help you see yourself while you record, which is quite nice. Just like GoPro's, the Osmo Action also offers a variety of controls, including voice control. There are 2 microphones built into the cam, However, there is no live streaming support on the Osmo Action, which is not important in vlogging. Ultimately, the Osmo Action is easy to use, produces excellent images, and benefits from rocksteady electronic image stabilization. It would be attractive to vloggers looking for a rugged, reliable, and easy setup in the budget of $200. At number 4, it is Insta360 ONE Twin Edition. The Insta360 ONE Twin Edition can be used as a standard action camera and as 360-degree camera. The name Twin Edition is a result of its dual camera design, which includes 2 interchangeable lenses. It's got 2 modes, one turns it into a regular action camera, the other gives it 360-degree shooting capabilities, plus a bunch of extras, including 5 meters of waterproofing, which can be extended with special housing. With its smartphone app, Insta360 ONE users will be able to view live and instant replays and edit them and operate it via voice control, similar to GoPro cameras. Additionally, it captures raw photo files and video at a bitrate of 100 MB per second with H.265 encoding, as well as offering an 8x slow-mo mode. In addition to the various shooting modes, AI-powered algorithms augment a particularly impressive feature called auto frame, which automatically identifies and picks out the action in 360-degree videos. If you want your action camera footage to go in all kinds of different directions while vlogging, the Insta360 ONE Twin Edition is a great buy for you. Thanks to scene detection technology, your footage will remain stable and clear in low lighting for vlogging. The Insta360 ONE is hugely versatile, allowing you to capture all kinds of different qualities. The highest qualities are 5K at 30 fps on the 360 degrees module and 4K at 60 fps on the 4K module. ONE Invisible Selfie Stick feature lets you capture easy aerial angles and unique third-person perspectives with a flick of the wrist while using the dual lens 360 mod. And the last one is a Caso Brave 7 La. If you need a front screen for vlogging or to ensure you stay in the shot as you film yourself skiing down a slope with a selfie stick, then this is a bargain buy. A similar feature is available on the GoPro Hero 9 and on the DJI Osmo Action, but a second screen comes at a fraction of the cost. Besides capturing 4K video and 20 megapixel still images, you'll receive a 6-axis stabilization system. It offers several shooting options, including time-lapse video and photo modes, slow motion, and loop recording. There are 2 modes, diving and driving. The former is meant to compensate for the lack of red light in underwater scenes, while the latter is connected to your car's electrical system and will turn on/off when connected. You can choose between 9 different manual combinations of resolutions and frame rates depending on your needs, from 720p at 240 fps all the way up to 4K at 30 fps. If you want the best quality picture, you'll need to set it to 4K 30 with image stabilization and high quality. Additionally, it has decent overall video stabilization, particularly when shooting in 4K and moving at a moderate pace. You can shoot at up to 120 frames per second and shoot slow motion or fast action footage. However, you can't shoot at 24 frames per second if you prefer vlogging to look more cinematic. Moreover, it's not as powerful a system as you'll find on a GoPro, but nor does it produce a woozy-looking dream sequence that costs only $140. With that, we come to the end of our review. We're pretty confident you'll find this video pretty informative